Pouring grains activity. A plate containing 3 small identical pots and 1 little bigger size identical pot. Grains which are available at home. Indicate the mark at the neck of the pot by saying, "Can you see the mark here?" The child may observe it. Then place the pot down on the left bottom corner of the oilcloth. Then take another 2 pots and place it on the oilcloth diagonally. Then take a little bigger pot and place it at the right bottom corner. Say to the child, "We pour these grains into these pots," by indicating the pots diagonally. Ask the child, "Ask me to stop when I reach this mark," by indicating the mark at the neck of the pot. Hold the little bigger pot at the neck with your right hand and bring on top of the small pot and show the spout is right at the center of the pot mouth. Start pouring gently into the small pot. Child may ask you to stop when you reach the mark. Continue the same with other 2 pots and place the bigger pot back to its place. A few grains should remain in the bigger pot after pouring. You can also use the tumblers for this activity. Then indicate the fallen grains on the oilcloth and pick up the grains with index and thumb fingers and put them into the pot. Then take small pot which is at right top corner of the oilcloth and pour grains back into the bigger pot. Repeat the same with other 2 pots. In this activity, the child exercises their hand and eye coordination and concentration as they must carefully pour the grains between vessels without spilling. By working with grains of varying sizes, the child can begin to learn the difference in texture and weight as they pour and hear different types of sounds. You might start by offering something larger grains and increase the challenge of the task with smaller grains. Ask the child to do it again and wind up the activity. Thank you for watching.